And I was like, sell all of it, sell everything. Just kidding. This isn't financial advice, guys. This is another medium risk stock we're going to talk about today. And by medium, I do, well, I'm not sure what the legality is, okay, but I've done a lot of research on these guys. And all of 2022, you know which stock in my portfolio fell the least? Well, this one right here, guys. Yes, Dutch Bros. And if you look, boom, relatively new to the stock market as well. So, yeah. Now let's take a look. Let's jump right into Dutch Bros, okay? Where we're from, these things are popping up everywhere. I mean, they are popping up like all over the place. So, tip ratings, we've got a hold. Okay, that's to be expected. Yahoo Finance, more of a buy rating. It's at 2. It's still below the average here, so I guess that's good. This is based off of, Wall Street analysts. Those dudes are wrong all the time, so take that with a grain of salt for sure. Here is some of their quarterly financials according to Google. Those are some pretty year-over-year increases. Those, oh yeah, I mean, that doesn't look like like high risk to me. Okay, and it's, I mean, I think this is a good one too. I've got a bunch of these, so, and the cool thing is, I'll show you guys. Yeah, they've done pretty good on those. And again, it's only, I think the company's only been in the stock market not even 2 years, so, but you can kind of look at, oh, that's not how you do it, Andrew. So these are increasing, this one's increasing. I think the one I like most is here. They're growing, guys. This thing's growing good. They're taking a lot of their money and reinvesting it right back into more stores. They're doing a very aggressive eastward expansion just in the US market. Now check this out, guys. I'm comparing Dutch Bros here to Starbucks. Okay. Now, show me a person on the planet who hasn't heard of Starbucks. Well, maybe I shouldn't say that, but show me someone who can use the internet, who has used the internet and doesn't know about Starbucks. Look at their market caps here, okay? This, I think, is my favorite of all of this, is that Dutch Bros market cap is roughly in the ballpark of 5% of Starbucks market cap. And so, okay, well, what does that mean? Essentially, Dutch Bros has a huge fat increase in market share that they can acquire. Okay, if they get anywhere close to the size of Starbucks, even if the stock doubled, they'd only be 10% the size of Starbucks. So I mean, look at this. They're just such a smaller company. And what I like about Starbucks is that they pay a dividend. Okay, so watch. Let's check this out, okay? Oh, no, I meant to do this one. So let's check out Starbucks stock, okay? And if you'd have bought back in the day, and they've had some stock splits too, so. And again, these are all long-term holds, okay? One of my buddies is talking about day trading. I'm like, dude, I'm not trying to day trade Dutch Bros stock, okay? If you're gonna buy these, hold them for a long time. If you do day trade them, that's not what this is about, guys. These are long-term holds. But imagine if you'd have got, I mean, look from here. Gosh, that's like a 200x. I did the math, and each one of these shares would be equal to like $6,400 if you'd have bought them. And they pay a dividend, guys. Right now, Dutch Bros doesn't pay a dividend, but that will change. Look how, I mean, this company's not even been on the stock market that long. So, in if what I'm thinking is right, we're like right in here somewhere, guys, with Dutch Bros. Maybe probably like more in here. But again, look, here's that 20x that we're looking at. You know what I mean? So, watch where's the 20x, let's see if I can get it. So, who knows? Okay. Right now, Starbucks is here. Dutch Bros is over here. So, there could be huge growth potential with this company. I'm going to compare it to one last company. Domino's Pizza. Okay. Where I was from growing up, that was the only pizza they had, man, and I got sick of this pizza. But their company is beast mode. And look, pays a dividend. And yeah, it's 20x'd. And the thing that Dutch Bros is doing is they're investing heavily into other stores. Oh, where's it at? Watch, I'll bring it up for you. Let me see if I can find this. I should already have this. Let me see if this is it. If this is it, we'll keep going. Look, here's their stores, okay? This is how much they open. This is... Okay, so the company doubled right there. They're going to keep doing this. What is this? 30 stores per quarter. You can pause this and read it. And when you do, you start looking at it, it might not be... This could be low risk as well, but just for safety's sake, I'm saying it's medium to high risk. I don't think we'll see as huge a growth as some other companies we've talked about, but you want to diversify, guys. You don't want to just buy one company. So these guys are taking all their profits and just buying and building more stores. So might be something to consider. We saw that. Oh, watch me go back. Domino's, what they did is they did kind of the same thing. Dutch Bros is showing a decrease in store sales, but that's because they're opening them down the street from each other, which they call it a financial moat. Or no, that's not the right word. I can't think of what it's called, but basically Domino's did that, and so now they're just everywhere. But we could be seeing Dutch Bros could be right here, guys. They're a really young company. If they get anywhere to the size that Starbucks is, then could be a huge 10-bagger. So, just my opinion. Something to think about. If you guys have any stocks you want me to cover, let me know, and have a great evening, alright guys? Love you all. Okay, just kidding, I only love Sandu.